So in this particular problem, we have a circle whose diameter is AB. There is a pole on the circumference AB such that it subtends equal angles at A and B. And the pole also subtends 30 degrees at R, and we need to find OR. R and O both lie on the diameter AB. O is the center of the circle. Now what does it mean when I say a pole subtends an angle at A or an angle at B? From the top of the pole, let's call the top of the pole as P and the bottom of the pole as G because it's ground level, right? So if I draw a line from the top of the pole to A and from the bottom of the pole along the ground to A, the angle between these two lines is what? Is theta. So the circle is actually on the ground, whereas the pole is vertically above the ground. So it's a three-dimensional problem where AB, diameter, circle are all along the ground, whereas pole is vertically above the ground. Similarly, when they say the pole subtends an angle theta at B, the angle between the line PB from the top of the pole to point B and from the bottom of the pole along the ground to point B, the angle between these two lines is theta. Now if these two angles are theta, the opposite, what is sine theta in this first triangle? Sine theta in this triangle is given by PG by PA. In the second triangle, sine theta is given by PG by PB. Because theta is same, sine theta is going to be same in both the cases. Therefore, PG by PA will be equal to PG by PB. In other words, PA is equal to PB. So what they are trying to say is the pole is equidistant from both the ends of the diameter is what they are trying to say. If pole is equidistant, basically this particular pole is at the center of this particular semicircular arc. If I take a semicircular arc AB, exactly the midpoint of the arc is where the pole is. Now from that pole, if I subtend an angle at R, that particular angle is theta, 30 degrees. So the pole's height is 6 meters or 6 units, and if the angle is 30 degrees, what can I say about this particular length? Let's call this as P, let's call this as G. What can I say about RG? I can say that my tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite side PG by adjacent side GR. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3 is given by PG, which is 6 by GR. So my side GR is given by 6 root 3. But what is GR? GR is nothing but the line connecting the base of the pole to the point R. In other words, this point is 6, this particular line between G and R is 6 root 3. Now this is a right angle triangle GOR. If I look at this triangle, GOR is a right angle triangle such that GR square is equal to OR square plus GO square. What is GR square? 6 root 3 whole square equals to OR square. That's what we need to find. Plus GO squared is my radius square, which is 10 square. 6 root 3 squared is 6 squared into 3, which is 36 into 3, 108. 108 is x squared plus 100. So x squared is 8, or x is square root of 8, which is nothing but 2 root 2. So the length OR is 2 root 2.